and crowded, and the genuine fans did not really get to see Messi. I heard 80,000 people come in to see Messi, and Messi is worshipped in Kolkata and in India. And when they get disappointed paying such a high price coming from such far away places, I think it's very disappointing. And in future, I think this has to be really well organized. And at the same time, also to a lot of these VIPs, especially what we saw today, I think that's what we read. A lot of unwanted VIPs came into it and surrounded Messi. I think it's very unfortunate. I think the organizers did their best, but sometimes out of control, especially VIP cultures, it becomes very, very difficult even to the organizers to stop a lot of extra VIP who are not supposed to be there as well. I think entered and crowded, and the genuine fans did not really get to see Messi. So I think that was where I think the fans were very, very upset, and hopefully I think this kind of mistakes don't happen.
So Kolkata West Bengal CM has ordered an inquiry into this.
Yes, I think it's very unfortunate because we had, that's what I heard, 80,000 people come in to see Messi, and Messi is worshipped in Kolkata and in India. And when they get disappointed paying such a high price coming from such far away places, I think it's very disappointing. And I think let's see, because I think the government has taken some steps and action. So let's just see.
Any suggestions so that such incidents may not take place?
I think my only suggestion is that in future, I think this has to be really well organized, and at the same time also to a lot of these VIPs, especially what we saw today, I think that's what we read. A lot of unwanted VIPs came into it and surrounded Messi. So I think this should be avoided. Thank you.
So today you have visited Bastar and participated in conclusion ceremony of Bastar Olympics. How did you feel?
I think it was very nice, very well organized. Also, I think Honorable Home Minister was the chief guest. I think Bastar Olympics, this is the second year, but I think overall it's been a great initiative by the government, because they're also trying to bring in Naxal affected people through sports, and I think only sports is the right medium to connect young generation. And ये बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव था, एंड आई एम श्योर आगे साल में बस्तर एरिया से और छत्तीसगढ़ से भी काफ़ी खिलाड़ी, अच्छे खिलाड़ी, स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन निकलने का चांस है. स्पेशली बस्तर एक ट्राइबल एरिया भी है, और ट्राइबल में हम भी एक ट्राइबल होने के कारण आई थिंक ट्राइबल स्पोर्ट्स से बहुत रिलेट होते हैं, नेचुरली गिफ्टेड रहता है, और नॉर्थ ईस्ट एक एग्जाम्पल है. एंड फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ईस्ट एज वेल, जितने भी देश के लिए मेडल्स जीते 70-80% खिलाड़ी ट्राइबल से रहा है. सो आई होप ये इनिशिएटिव के जरिए वी विल बी एबल टू सी लॉट ऑफ गुड स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम बस्तर एंड छत्तीसगढ़.
Sir, today Messi visited Kolkata, and during his visit, chaos.
Yeah, it's a bit disappointing because a lot of football fans, I heard 80,000 fans turned up in the stadium, and everybody loves him. And I think genuine fans did not get to really see, which was very, very unfortunate. So hopefully, I think I think this are looked into it, and this kind of chaos and this in terms of organization does not happen again, because it also spoils the country's name. So I hope people learn from this mistake, especially private sports organizers who are organizing such kind of event, to make sure that it's properly organized and the genuine football fans actually get to see and get satisfied with their idol Lionel Messi.
Sir, how do you see the potential of Indian players in coming time?
Hopefully good. I think right now the football is slightly not in a great shape, but in future I think hopefully it will get sorted.